Good morning, students. Today we'll do the sums related to the lines and angles. The first sum is, it is given that A and B in this question given is x plus y is equal to y plus z. Prove that to prove that AOB is a straight line. Now proof. In proof we will write that x plus y plus w plus z is equal to 360. That is a complete angle. Now we know that x plus y is equal to y plus z. So we can write x plus y plus x plus y is equal to 360 as x plus y is equal to y plus z, that is given to us. So 2 times x plus y is equal to 360. So x plus y is equal to 180. So x plus y is 180. Therefore AOB is a straight. कर लेंगे दोबारा. मेरे फ़ोन शायद अंदर पड़े हैं, देखना जरा आप. नहीं रहने दो. So next sum is very important. It's given that P, Q and this is R is perpendicular. This is S. Prove that angle PROS is equal to half the angle QOS minus POS. Or we can say angle ROS, angle 2 is equal to half the angle QOS. QOS means this complete angle 3 minus angle 1. So proof is very simple. In proof we will write now, proof is so now we know that angle ROQ is equal to 90 and angle 1 plus 2 plus ROQ is equal to 180. So angle 1 plus 2 is also equal to 90. Or we can say angle 1 plus 2 is equal to ROQ. Now adding angle to both sides. If we add, it will be angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 2 is equal to ROQ plus angle 2. 2 times angle 2 is equal to ROQ. This is ROQ plus angle 2, which will be equal to QOS minus angle 1. Or 2 times angle 2 is equal to QOS minus angle 1 is POS. or this angle 2 means 2 times angle ROS is equal to QOS minus POS, or ROS is equal to half of angle QOS minus POS. Hence, only one thing you have to remember, there is only one step, that 1 plus 2 is equal to angle this 90, and you have to add angle 2, then you have to write. Question number 3. Question number 3 is, in a given angle Q X Y Z is 64. X Y Z is equal to 64. XY is produced till a point P, and YQ bisect this. Bisect means both the angles are equal. We have to find angle XYQ, number 1. Then we have to find the reflex QYP. Solution: X Y, we can write this angle as A and A. X Y X X Y Q. So we will write angle 64 plus A is equal to 180, linear pair, or 64 plus 2A is equal to 180. 2A is equal to 180 minus 64. 2A is equal to 6. 116. A is equal to 50/80. Angle XYQ is equal to 64 plus A. 64 plus 58, this is 122. Then we have to find reflex angle QYP. QYP means 360 minus A, that is 360 minus 58, 30. Example 4. Example 4 is, six y, 4y, 8y. So find y. Angle 1 is equal to 6y, that is vertically opposite. So now 4y plus 6y plus 8y is equal to 180. Angle on straight line, or we can say 4y plus angle 1 plus 8, and 1 is equal to this. So 18y is equal to 180, y is equal to 10. Example 5. Example 5 is A, O, B, C and D. AOC plus BOC plus DOD is equal to 338. Find angle X. So AOC plus BOC plus BOD plus X is equal to 360. That is complete angle. 338 plus X is equal to 360. X is equal to 360 minus 338. 2, 5 minus 3 again 2. That is 22. Thank you very much. That is all for today.